Welcome. In today's video, we're learning how to forward receive links on WhatsApp web right from your PC using the latest update. This new feature makes it super easy to manage and share all the links you've received in your chats without digging through endless messages. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a new media icon added to the side menu. This is where you can access all your media, documents, and links in one place. Click on that media icon and you'll see several categories appear. Choose Links. This section neatly organizes all the web links you've received or shared in your chats. No more scrolling through conversations trying to find that one important link. Everything is now in one easy to access spot. Next, look at the top of the window and click on the sort icon. This lets you arrange your links using different filters. For this tutorial, select others to view links that don't fall under images or videos, making the list clean and simple. Now it's time to choose which links you want to forward. Click on the select icon at the top. Once it's active, go ahead and click on all the links you wish to share. You can select one, several, or even all of them at once. It's completely up to you. After you've made your selections, look for the forward icon at the top right corner. Click it and a window will pop up showing your contacts and groups. Choose the recipients you want to send the links to. You can forward to one chat or multiple conversations at the same time. Finally, hit send, and that's it. Your selected links are instantly forwarded to the people you chose. With this new WhatsApp web update, forwarding multiple links has never been easier. It's faster, more organized, and keeps your chats tidy. Try it out today and see how much time it saves you.